Alden Richard update. And during TV commercial shoot ng Sting, nila Alden Richard at Maris Racal. Ayun, kumaway pa nga sila Alden at Maris. Yung mga nanonood ng kanilang TV commercial for Sting Energy Drink.
Set and ID. Gone. Okay, first
Ayun,
jump.
mag-jump shot sila.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yun o.
Take one.
Nalipat sila na ibang pwesto.
Okay, Maris pointing forward. Ready. Take one. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Ayun. May padila pa
Next
eh.
one. Maris forward.
Jump shot eh. Ayan po.
Okay, ready. And
Ayan,
3,
padila
2,
pa nga
1,
sila eh.
go. Ready na. One more. One, two. Maris.
May waki.
Okay, let's extend yung arm para booster body lang, para pasok sa vertical. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay, ito, mas kita yung face ha, mas wacky, mas makulit. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yan o.
Next marker. Okay, Maris to your right of konti. Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay? And ready? And 3, okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Boom.
Very good. Marker.
Ano bang kayang TV commercial?
Wacky!
Yung energy drink. Yun o.
Cut. Very good. Stay back.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.